Welcome back. On this video, we are going to be learning how to apply sine rule and the cosine rule in a triangle. And also, we are also going to be learning how to find the bearing of a point from another point. All right, we have a question. Three towns, A, B, and C, are situated so that AB is equal to 60 kilometers. From the question, distance AB is 60 kilometers and AC is 100 kilometers. AC is 100 kilometers. The bearing of B from A is 60 degrees. B from A is 60 degrees. That means the angle on A is 60 degrees since it is B from A. So our angle A, so let this be point A, and the bearing of B from A is 60 degrees. So from north of A, 60 degrees should be somewhere here. And B from A, so let's construct B. All right, let this be point B. B from A is 60 degrees. So here is 60 degrees. And the bearing of C from A is 290. C from A, which means from A, we have angle 290. On the first quadrant, which is from north to east, is 90. South to east is 90, making 180. South to west is 90, making 270. Since it's 290, therefore 290 should be just immediately after this point. So let's draw point C from A. Now, if you look at the length, AB is 60 kilometers. So 60 kilometers. AC is 100 kilometers. That is the reason why A to C is lengthy than A to B. And here is 100 kilometers. So also, we can place the same with this. Now, the next question is calculate the distance BC, which is distance BC. So let's join B to C. So this is B to C. Now we are asked to find distance BC. Since this is A, this is point A, opposite A, let's call it small a, or it is also referred to as distance BC. So to find distance BC, we are given AC, which is length AC, length AB. We are asked to find length BC. Now, recall that C from A is 290. That means from A, which is north of A, to point C, all the angle here is 290. So if this is 290 degrees, the first quadrant is 90, second quadrant is 90, making 180, third quadrant is 90, making 270. It means in here is 20 degrees. So if this is 20 degrees, it means the other side, which is referred to as the complementary angle, is 70 degrees. So we have angle A to be 70, to be what? 70 plus 60, which is 130 degrees. Since we've gotten angle A, now which formula can we use to find side A? From the sine rule, we have A over sine A to be equals to B over sine B to be equal to C over sine C. Let's check if we can use this. We are looking for side A, which is this, over angle A. We have angle A. Is it equal to B? Do we have side B? Yes. Let's call this side B over angle B. We don't have angle B. Do we have side C? Yes, we have side C over sine C. We don't have the sine angle C, so we can't use the formula. But let's see if we can use the cosine formula that says a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. We are looking for side A. We don't have side A. Now side B, this is side B, 100. Side C, this is side C, 60. 2bc cos A, cos angle A, we have it. So we can use cosine formula. Therefore, implementing it, we have a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A, where a squared is what we are looking for, which is the same thing as bc, bca or bc. So we say a squared. What is b squared? Opposite big B is 100, that is b squared. 100 square plus c square, opposite big C is the side C, which is 60 square, minus 2 times 100 times 60, then cos A, angle A, which is cos 130. Therefore, A square will be 100 square, that's 10,000, plus 60 square, that's 3,600, minus 2 times 100, 200. Then 200 times 60, that's 12,000 rather. Then times cos 130, that's negative 0.64. So a square will be 100 plus 10,000 plus 3,006, that's 13,600, minus 12,000 times minus 0.64 will become plus 7,713.5. So a square will be equal to plus 13,600. That gives us 213.5. So a will be the square root of 213, square root 213.5. That's approximately 146 kilometer. So the value of A is approximately 146 kilometer, which is the same thing as the value of BC. The second question, the bearing of B from C. The bearing of B from C. To get the bearing of B from C, the bearing of B from C is simply from north of C to where the line touches C. This is what we are asked to find. From north of C to where the line touches B, or where the line touches BC. To get this, let's first of all find angle beta. Let's call this beta, which is the angle on C. To get the angle beta here, let's use the sine rule. To get the angle beta, let's use the sine rule, which is C over sine beta equals to A over sine A. C over sine beta equals A over sine A. Therefore, what is C? Which is side C is 60 over sine beta is what we are looking for, is equal to A. Remember, A or BC is the same thing as 146 kilometer over sine A. And what is angle A? Sine 130. So if we cross multiply and make sine beta subject formula, we have sine beta to be equals to 60 multiplied by sine 130, then divided by 146. So at the numerator here, I have 45.96 over 146. So sine beta will now be 0.3148. So to find beta only, not sine beta, beta only will be sine inverse 0.3148. That means beta is equal 18.34 degrees. Now beta here is 18.34, but what we are looking for is B from C, which is from north to this. Now if this is 18.34, now, but what is this angle, which is all of this angle? All of this angle. What is all of this angle? If you compare in bearing, this angle, which is from C east to southeast to this, from here to here to this, it forms Z shape, which is this. It forms Z shape. And here is 20 degree. That means all of this is 20 degree, which is from east of C to line AC is 20 degree. But since beta is 18.34, now what is left here? What will be left here, we simply say 20 minus 18.34. That is 1.6. So the angle here is 1.6. So if here is 1.6 and from north to east of C is 90 degree, then we are looking for from north to line BC, which is 90 degree plus 1.6. So B from C will be 90 degree plus 1.6 degree. That means B from C is 91.6 degrees approximately.